Billy Bolt has started the 2025 FIM Super Enduro World Championship at round one in Poland with an overall win, going 1-4-1 and leaving the round with I think it's a 4 point, no, not 14, a 4 point advantage going into round two in Germany in well, technically in January in 2025, when the year and the series actually matched together. Obviously, he won last year, and you gotta say, good start. If you want to win another championship, you want to defend, winning the first round is definitely the way to do it. With a quote saying, "I've got to be happy to take the win here in Poland, especially in front of such a fantastic crowd, but it's definitely not all gone my way. Super Bowl went really well, and then going to race one, I felt good and was able to take the win. In race two, I took my time early on, but after that, I pushed too hard to get out front and made some mistakes. Coming off the side of the track didn't help, especially with how slippery the concrete here is in Poland. But thankfully, I was able to fight my way back to fourth. Entering race three, the points were tight for the overall, so the goal was clear: get out front and just manage my pace to the finish. Everything went perfectly. I was able to take the race win and the overall. It feels good to open my season with a victory. I'm already looking forward to Germany in a few weeks' time." Like, I think Super Enduro is it's something completely different. You know, you got jumps, you've got all the enduro aspects. I think it's just a very fun thing to watch. And it's kind of sad that it's not really as big of a thing over here in the US as it is everywhere else. Like, I understand it's a wholly different platform, wholly different what's the word? There's a word I'm looking for. It's not a category, but style, whatever. There's a word. Somebody comment down below, tell me what it is. You'll know what I'm talking about if you know what I mean. And to see him, the best in the world do this kind of stuff, it's just very special. Like, I'm assuming this is one of those things that you couldn't just jump into and do. Like, Supercross, with a little bit of training, it's going to be, I don't want to say pick up and play, because obviously it's hard, but something like this where you have to manage, well, your energy and how to go over all the obstacles and everything else. It's just a wholly different subset of skills that you have to be able to do this and do it well. So to see him come out and win, good job to him. But comment down below, you guys. Tell me, do you watch Super Enduro? Have you ever seen or Enduro in general? Something you're gonna watch, or are you going to get into? There's the words I'm looking for, or whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.